Rapid Profit Machine, your gateway to affiliate marketing success. Here is the Facebook group of Rapid Profit Machine. We will see what they're talking about. Zach Mohamud, introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Zach and I have joined RPM yesterday and I'm so excited to get started and be a part of this amazing community. I am 30 years old from the United Kingdom. I want to build a successful affiliate marketing with consistent commission so that hopefully I can leave my 9 to 5 jobs once and for all. Thanks again, James Neville Taylor. Zach, full of hope. Carrie Shea says hi. Wonderful. James Neville Taylor is posting an inspirational post. I designed my Sunday morning to set me up for the most inspirational week ahead. Oh, wonderful. Charles Nichols, good morning. Happy Easter, everybody. So nice. Sakani Precious Maluleke, welcome my tribe. Thank you for joining the RPM family. I'm your sponsor. Feel free to reach out to me. I believe we can learn a lot from each other. We are all available to support you. Whatever. He is living a dream. Paula Dalton. My name is Paula Dalton. My goal is set up my family up financially so I don't worry when I'm gone. Glad to join RPM. I'm excited to have found this. Paula is full of hope. When she will be dead, a family will be financially free. Anyway. Paula Dalton. Hi all. I just wanted to introduce myself and share a photo I took. So Paula is sending this picture. Wonderful. Curtis Leong. Just want to know which has better delivery for the email sequences, Aweber or Mailing Boss? Also, which one is better? Well, Aweber is an email autoresponder. It does only this, and it's been the number one for over 20 years, 25 years. Now, Mailing Boss is one of the tools of Builderall, so an email autoresponder of Builderall. So, you can guess which one is better. If you want a hint, it starts with a A, of course. If you want the best email autoresponder, you will maybe look into the oldest email responder, which does only this. No? Think for yourself a little bit. But you can say any one of them will be enough for your needs. You don't need much. Curtis Leong again. Good morning. I have just started the training with RPM. I am a family man who wants more free time to leave my day job and make money online, so I can support my family and have more free time with them. Repeat. I have been trying this online thing for a couple of years and haven't got anywhere. With this RPM system, it's going to happen for me. Full of hope, Curtis. Rada Tungd. Hi, I'm new to this group. I recently joined in this group from Hungary. I am a single mother with 3 children who wants to give them everything. Happy day, everyone. Full of hope. Kimo Rentes. Hi to everyone of the RPM Facebook group. My name is Kimono and it's my privilege to be a part. Okay. Christopher Fee. Welcome my team members. Wish you all success. Don't forget to set up properly and say, so same crap. He thinks living in a dream that everyone here is members, whatever. Anthony, hi everyone. It's Anthony Kingston here from Brisbane, Australia. Thanks for having me. You're welcome. Denise and Sarah Nicomedes. Hi, it's me again, and I just want to know how to start this, because as I go further, it keeps on asking me to purchase things. Oh, right now, I just don't have enough funds for those extra things. I would love to purchase it, but for now, can someone guide me at least how to start it, so I can earn even a little? Sorry, this was my lowest moment, and I am hoping this will help get out of debt. Thanks in advance already to everyone. No, sorry. Halmi Emery Soberanis. How getting media making money? So, James Neville Taylor, welcome to the RPM family, RPM Superstars. We are super excited to welcome you to one of the most rapidly growing communities today. Etc., etc. Jessica, hi all. I just wanted to introduce myself and share a photo I took. Wonderful photo. Stephen Kerry, I would like to give a warm welcome to my newest member to join the RPM family as your sponsor if you have any issues living in his dreams. Carol Kilby finished the TikTok challenge and submitted the details. Cannot wait to see what happens when I get the free 250 clicks. Excited. So, just to let you know, Carol, I have already submitted the details. It's been 1 month and I have heard nothing back. Even when you submit, you hear nothing back. So now I will have to complain about it. Say, what the fuck is happening? Why don't you contact me? It's been a month. I will do it. I will, you remind me. I will do it and I will make a video out of it. I think this is a bad joke, but it was to be expected. When I did it and after 1 month I submitted, I knew it was going to fail badly because I can smell it. And it happened badly. So now I need to work again and send a few messages, make a video about it. So that's the end of this video about RPM Facebook group. As you can see, it's pretty useless. See the next one. Hi all, just wanted to introduce myself and share a photo I took. Wonderful picture. Voilà. What do you want to do? Then here you have another one. Casey, happy Easter. But who cares? Where is the affiliate marketing? Here, there's nothing. Another one, Jason. Hello, I'm Jason Laverty. I've worked my tail off my whole life and I haven't accomplished nothing. What is this? What is this group? The crazy hospital. That's what it is. Bye bye.